Introducing the Leather Doctor, a proven national leather and vinyl repair and cleaning franchise, Sunshine Coast, Toowoomba and Brisbane regions. With leather and vinyl cleaning, repair and recolouring services in high demand in Queensland, it's time to join this success story. With a 30-year history, the Leather Doctor is one of Australia's leading franchises. They currently have opportunities available across the Sunshine Coast, Toowoomba and Brisbane regions. Your franchise gives you the licence to exclusively trade within a large territory, large enough for a future subdivision. Earning up to $200,000 a year as a single unit franchisee, you'll achieve the perfect work-lifestyle balance with plenty of customers. This successful mobile service franchise provides clients with professional cleaning, repair, restoration, and recolouring skills for leather and vinyl items. No experience is necessary, as the Leather Doctor's comprehensive training program equips you with the skills to successfully complete work. When you become a Leather Doctor franchisee, you're getting the backing of a trusted and proven brand established since 1989. You'll benefit from professionally developed advertising, lead generation marketing, and low franchise fees without the need for an expensive premises. Your franchise package includes extensive training at the company's Gold Coast headquarters, tools, supplies, and a marketing startup. Whatever your background, this amazing opportunity is your chance to become a successful business owner in 2019.